Hello again, children. How are you all? Hope you're all safe and healthy. I hope you all enjoyed naming the angles in a polygon last week. Let's dive into today's topic. Today, we are going to learn how to measure angles between two rays that meet at a vertex. The device used to measure angles is called as a protractor. It has markings similar to that of a normal scale, but in both anti-clockwise and clockwise directions. We have to place the center point of the protractor at the vertex at which the two rays meet, and also align the 0-degree horizontal line such that it coincides with one of the rays. As we see, there are two markings. We may get confused about which one to use. It is very simple. Just see which marking shows 0 degrees for the baseline. In this case, it is the blue marking. So we are going to see where does the other ray point to on the blue marking. We can see that it points to the number 40. So the measure of this acute angle is 40 degrees. Now what to do when the rays points towards the other direction? Let's see. Now let's place the center of the protractor at the vertex, then align the horizontal ray with a 0 degrees. In this case, 0 degrees is shown on the black marking or the outer marking. So we follow the black marking and see where does the second ray point to. Hence, the measure points to 60 degrees. Now let's see how to measure an acute angle in a polygon using a protractor. Let's keep the center of the protractor at the vertex B and align BC with 0 degrees. Here the 0 degrees is at the outer marking, so we follow the outer marking and see that the line BA points to 57 degrees. So the measure of angle ABC is 57 degrees. Now let's measure an obtuse angle greater than 90 degrees. We place the protractor at this vertex and see that the 0 degree aligns with the blue marking. So we follow the blue marking and see that the second ray points to 115 degrees. Let's try doing the same in a polygon. We keep the center of the protractor at C and align CB with 0 degree. Follow the blue marking and look where does line CD point to. Yes, 120 degrees. So the angle DCB measures 120 degrees. Now we are going to measure the reflex angle. We know that a full circle measures up to 360 degrees. To know the reflex angle from 360 degrees, if we subtract the measure of this red color angle, then we will get the reflex angle. So as we see, the 0 is aligned into the inner marking. So we follow the inner marking and find that the acute angle is 20 degrees. So if this 20 degrees is subtracted from 360 degrees, we get the reflex angle as 340 degrees. Now let's try to measure the reflex angle FAB in this polygon. Let's place the center of the protractor at A and align AB with 0 degrees. We follow the inner marking or the blue marking and look where the other line AF points to. It measures 115 degrees. We know that 115 degrees is an obtuse angle and not a reflex angle. So to get a reflex angle, we subtract 115 degrees from 360 degrees and we get reflex angle FAB as 245 degrees. Okay children, now you all can use this shape to measure these three angles. Remember to mark the vertices before you begin. I'll see you all soon with another video children. Bye bye.